Welcome in, welcome in. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. Good morning, family, investors. Hope you're all doing well this morning. Let me know what you guys are trading, what you guys like. Market was kind of trading sideways. It is rate day, so it's pretty exciting today. I think that we're about to experience a little bit more of a bull run. So hopefully you guys were able to see the last video because we've been telling you about Open. Every video I make, Open has been the number one stock pick, and you can see today it is up big time. Right now, Open is up 14%. I keep telling you guys about Open. Man, I get a little bit of reaction. I might get a few comments, but hopefully you guys were in the positioned yourselves right today because it was a good day to be in it. And we even went live yesterday because I was like, this is ridiculous. This is what happens when Martin Scarelli shorts Open. So getting a little bit of a squeezy here, a little bit of a sell off. Buyers are stepping in again, selling off a little bit here, but it looks like a monster. That's what it looks like. Open door looks like a monster today. So watch out, shorts. But like I said, man, we've been here before. We have been here before. This is not new territory. Although up here, I believe, once like 10.50, like $11 is, I believe, new territory. Either way, here we go. More green candles. I just want you guys to be careful, you know? Just be careful. Stay green. Stay green. We're green over here for the day, for the week, for the month, once again. So we're trying to stay green over here. I'm trying not to take any losses out here. That's why I was hyping you guys up about Open Door the past few days, the past week, the past 2 weeks. We've been talking about Open. So, man, I mean, this stock has come from 40 cents all the way up to $10. So it's really, really, really finding that support down there. Like yesterday, under 9, I was telling myself, you know, not financial advice, but if it goes to $8, I'm buying in because it's unwarranted. It's just oversold, you know. And right now, maybe a good argument would be that it's overbought, but the shorts are stepping in and making it worse. And especially when they're announcing themselves like Martin Scarelli's, Martin Skirts, Scarelli's, Martin Short Rallies. But yeah, a lot of opportunities out there, not just Open Door, and we've been trading other things. We did trade Open Door this morning because it fell down to, I mean, I don't think it really fell down, but down here, the $9 again. I think we got it right here, 8.99. 8.99. I like that price, but I wasn't really anticipating it to go all the way up to $10 today, and as fast as it did today. I was hoping to get more trades in on it, but man, Open Door really surprising, honestly. This big of a pop. I mean, I seen it going green, and I seen it going back to $10, like I told you guys yesterday. I was like, I think Open Door's going back to $10. Maybe not tomorrow, but man, this is something else. You know, we could be seeing something like some of the other stocks that we've been seeing, some significant rips to the upside. So you guys definitely give me a thumbs up if you can. It's free, you know. Do it now because we're hyping up Open. Every like is fire to the flames, you guys. We're on a roll, man. We're on a roll this week, the past few weeks. Some of the calls that we've been making, and some of them haven't been hitting, but you can't have all your eggs in one basket, especially in this kind of a market. Got to diversify yourselves. Thank you guys for the comments. Open door 14, 15% now, 10, 20, 10, 30. Still moving to the upside, still getting shorted, still getting bought up. Look at that huge green candle right there. So, hate all you want to. Open doors moving up. And I'm in the other play that Martin Scarelli's is shorting that is down. I'm in that one that's down 9% right now. He's shorting this one, but this one's up. I'm in some of the other plays that he's shorting that are down. And you guys can find those tickers if you want to, but you can either buy something at all-time highs or you can buy something at all-time lows. You know what I mean? Green candles for open door. Big time. Could be seeing $11 today. So you guys let me know what you're trading, what you like out there. Open door AEI fell down today. We've talked about AEI before. This could be an opportunity. Could be a opportunity to buy the dip there on AEI. We'll see what happens, but I've got some other penny stocks that I'm scooping up right now. Might be making some content. I don't know. I don't know why people love to hate on open doors so much. You don't like making money? You like losing it? Okay. Well, you can do that too. You can either be with the current or against it. Now, will open stay up here? I don't know. But it's up here right now. And that's the thing you guys got to learn about the market, man. Shorts can stay in it a lot longer than you might be willing to stay with the stock. You might not be willing to stay with open door here at these levels. But the shorts can stay here. So you guys just be careful. I always preach caution. Give me a like on the live if you can. I appreciate it. Let me know what you guys are trading. We've been up for the day and the week. I don't think I'm going to do much more trading today. The other ones that I'm in are looking pretty nice. I actually got some long-term plays here that I might be just getting paid on the shares for the long term here for these shares. I like that idea. And I might be making some content about how to do that if you guys don't know how to do that. But it's a big taboo out here. I don't understand why, because it pays. A little bit of a sell-off here on open door. No big deal. See how low that drops there. Alright, here's AEI. I've told you guys about this one. And we got a drop here on AEI today. You can see where it dropped from. And this is it on the week. So, still up big time on the week. Could be an opportunity here. We'll see how much it sells off, but a lot of red candles here this morning for AEI. Watch out for this one. We've talked about it. We've talked about it. Just like Open Door, if this one gets any cheaper, we're going to be looking at scooping up some of those shares. I'm not going to give you guys any of the good ones that I'm eyeballing because I can't even get a like out of the live, but we'll move on to some of the other ones. I think this one, we did trade this one this morning, and I still do like this one. You guys can have this one. This one's a free 99 one. ASST. We talked about this one yesterday. We traded this one yesterday. Nice little dip here. All right, so this is pre-market. All right, you guys. So you could have traded it pre-market, and we did. Oh, Gemini's down. Gemini's down 10%, almost $25. So I'll take a look at that one here in a little bit. But you could have traded it here, and we did. And then now you got a nice opportunity, right? After the market opened, took a dip here down to 380s. I like that price here. And now it's sitting at that $4 level. So like I said, a lot of times with stocks, it almost doesn't matter those even numbers. The market likes it, you know, the algorithms like it. I even like the even numbers sometimes, but honestly, I try to shoot under those numbers there. Like this stock. SBRC's been fun today. We traded this one too. This one's been fun today. SBRC traded this pre-market, and then had a nice pop here. Boom. As soon as market opened, bang, all the way up. That was fun. Watch it drop, and so right here, still trying to find some support. I think it's got it. So this could be moving to the upside here. SPRC. Number one stock in the market right now, 97 million in volume. This thing is on fire. It's up 134% right now, you guys. On fire. We're on fire. Red Hill Biopharma also on fire. GNSS, VSA, SHPH, Coffee Holdings. Oh, another one was, man, I knew I should have wrote that one down, but it's too expensive for me. A little too expensive for me. Let's go, let's go. Nice. Open door. Look at these swings on open. Stair stepping up. Oh, gonna fall under $10 here. Maybe. Open door. NFE is a fun one to look at too. New Fortress. I was eyeballing that one, but it's up big now. SONN. A lot of opportunities out here, and you know it's still early too, so That's why I was like, let me hop on here, see if anybody's on here, see what you guys, how you guys are feeling about the market. But man, I'm absolutely loving the market right now, and I'm trying to be more cautious, and I'm trying to throw picks out there for you guys too. So hope you guys like the videos. Open door. Looking to get some buyers in here. $10 support here. It's gonna be resistance, I think, though. I think it's going under. Like I said, I think it'll go under there. A lot of scaredy cats out here in the market, you guys. They see these candles, they'll run too. $9.99. Look at that. Probably pop here, just under $10. 990s. Probably be a green candle. Not financial advice. I don't know what I'm doing. Red candle would be sweet. I might think about getting some shares here. But I think it'll be green. Oh, big green one. Big green candle. Look at that, back to 10. 1003, 1004, 1005. Can I get a 1006? 1006, 1007? 10. Ooh, open door. It's almost like we're connected. You ever feel connected to the market where you're just like, yeah, this is what's gonna happen, and then it happens, but you don't trade on it, you know? You're just like, this is what's gonna happen. Then it happens, you're like, dang it. But RDW moving back up to $8. I might be looking to get out here for RDW. This is gonna be a nice 2.5% gain for the portfolio today, and I'm all right with that, man. I think I'm all right with that, but I think I could get more here. Let's look at it. What do you guys think? We're in the money. We're in the money. I like this play, and this is my problem too. Is that like I get out probably too early. Look at this. It's not even really up, but we're up big on it because of our average here. Our average is like down here, so got a nice average right here at the bottom, and this thing is just falling off of a cliff. Look at this. So I love stuff like this. I love stuff like this, and there's really not bad news on this. This good news, you know, not financial advice. I'm not a rocket scientist, but this is one that I honestly could sell here, but I could also hold it for the long term because it's good news. And this is, I'm pretty sure, like all-time lows here. Look at this, man. This thing has just gotten devoured. So now we're just dealing with ridiculousness, right? Now we're just dealing with scaredy cats, possibly some shorts, you know, whatever it is. But I'm all in. I'm all in on it right now. So I think that the buyers are about to step in, and it looks to be so because it's headed to the upside, back to $8. I think even $8 is ridiculous here. That's what it was pre-market. Pre-market, it was like fighting for $8. So if it gets back to $8, I think that's really a support level. So. So 997, 996 is pretty nice. I I like it. 790s, 780s and 770. I'm scooping it up, so it might drop some more here. I like it. Big red candle. So this is what I'm saying. Opportunities in the market here for me. You know, don't copy me. Don't do what I do. But and then also ATYR. We're definitely watching ATYR because everybody in the world hates this stock right now, and everybody in the world has lost money on this stock right now. So that's when I start watching it, and I've done nothing but make money on this stock while it's been down here. We even traded it today, and it's continuing its decline. So I'm looking to get in here cheaper than where it's at, but this is just wild, wild west right here. And nobody likes it. You know why nobody likes it? Nobody likes it until it goes up. And then when it goes up, everybody wants it. So that's the way it rolls, you guys. Can't tell you how many times I've seen things like this one pop on no news. Zero. So 99, still under $1 here. I'm looking for more red candles. I'm looking for more decline here. All right. So I think we got some IPOs coming up too, but all right, buyers stepping back in on open, back above $10. Looking good, looking great, feeling good, feeling great. Open door. Yeah, and it's 11 o'clock now, a little bit after 11. Not the best day for us trading, but not the worst, and it's not over. I'm looking at maybe getting back into AEI here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna scoop up some shares on AEI. This is just ridiculousness. Points. Point. Market hours. Review that trade. Limit trade, baby. Hope I did that right. Sometimes I put in the wrong number, the wrong amount, and I end up in getting it at a higher price there. But all right, so we're gonna be in here in AEI. Open door, fighting for that $10. We'll come back to that. I'm not too much worried about it. I bet the shorts are sweating it though. That's hilarious. All right, so AEI here. I told you guys about it time and time again. And you know, not financial advice. Don't copy me. But I like this price. I don't think it's gonna drop to where I want it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's a good one though. This is a good one. It's probably gonna pop here. I'm looking for more red candles here, not green. And you know, I would play some sweet little music, some sweet little tunes for you guys, but they always hit me with the copyright. I want to have at least a few streams where I'm not copywritten. I don't even know really what that means, but I don't think it's good. Oh, come on, man. AI, drop it low for me, girl. We'll see what happens. But AEI, looking to scoop up some shares of AEI if it continues to drop here, like this one. But I told you guys like a million times. Look at this thing. It's like a circus. And then it's gonna but not financial advice. It's down 16% today. I gotta sing because I can't play music. SQFT, CWD, GIPR, MLGO is a surprising one, up 18% today. But you know, I'm done with that stock, man. I've lost my hat in that one. I'm not trying to get back in that one. MLGO, $11.95. Too many reverse splits for me. So here we go. AEI, come on down. Looks like it's gonna do it. It looks like it's gonna do it. I just need a few cents here just to get back in, just to wet my beak, just to wet my whistle. Oh, big green candle. See what I'm saying? You don't let me get in there. Who did that? Who just did that? Who just bought a bunch of shares? Dang it. See what I'm saying? Be cautious. I don't like it now. I don't like it now. Whatever, man. Guess what, though? Guess what? RDW, a stock that you've never heard of in your life, I bet. It's up. It's back up. We're going green, baby. We are going green. Look at that. Green candles, rocket fuel. RDWs. I was hoping for some more red candles and to get like maybe a few more shares, but I think it's going back to 8 Ocho. Higher, higher, baby. So you guys can play around with whatever else you want, but this is what we're in right now, right meow. It's going down. Probably gonna get out here soon though. Honestly, take my coins and go to home. But this thing could go a lot higher from here, man. $8 is support, bro. Look at this beautiful stock. Boom. I mean, right here was what, 11%, 10%? Something ridiculous, bro. It's looking good though. It's looking beautiful. Another green candle there. Green, green, green. Go, go, go. Right? Or no. What's AEI doing? Down 15. Ooh, it might drop down. Okay, let's go back to AEI. Boom. It's not gonna go down there. It's still up. Stuck. It's up. It's stuck. All right. All right. What else we got? Voxel's interesting, but I think it could drop a lot more. Right? Just gonna pretend like there's people in here. Just gonna pretend. Oh, as soon as I say that, it gets a big green candle. Bro, what the? I'm not looking for things to go up. Oh, red candle. There we go. Big red candle. Beautiful. 172. Does that say 172? I like that price. It's a good price, right? Looks good to me. I think we'll grab a few shares here. 1.7. We'll go with 171. Sounds like an uneven number that we could do today. Normally don't do uneven numbers, but we'll start there. I also don't normally trade live, but I feel good about this one here. Maybe getting a little bouncy bounce here. 170s. And we'll scoop up some shares. Right there, HYMC, a little AMC action, getting some action. All right, 172, I like that price. Come on down. I might even go with that, man. 172. It's 31% down today. That's a 31% drop, almost 32% drop, but ooh, I need more red candles here, you know? This is bad. This is real bad. I don't know if I'm ever gonna financially recover from this, bro. Look at this. I can't even fit it on the screen. All the way from New York. My goodness, is that a red candle? Yes, it is. Just gonna go ahead and scoop up 172. See, it went 177. See what I'm saying, bro? Like, this is why I don't trade live, man. Because I might, if I was a little bit quicker, bro. Dang, man. 177, it popped up here. I was really trying to get a few shares right here. Right down here. Mother pissing me off, bro. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna do the interest rate meeting. Well, 2 o'clock is the news, and then I guess like 2:30 is the meeting. So we'll see what happens. Dang it, man. I've been watching Buck. There we go. Boxel might come down here. I'm just gonna grab 172 because it's gonna make me mad if I miss out on just a little wet my whistle here, you know. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. We'll stake our claim right there at 172. This stock is Boxel, BOXL, Boxlight. This is one that was up big the other day, and now it's down 31%. So, if look at this thing on the chart, is ridiculous, dude. Look at this. On the chart, this is what it looks like. This is where it was pretty much on the 15th here, down 177, and where you see it right now, 172. So I don't know. I'm not a rocket scientist. I don't know much at all. I actually don't know anything. Don't copy me. Wheeler's also down. Been watching Wheeler, WHLR. That's down 5%. Watching that one, but it's still kind of expensive for me. I like the ones that are kind of cheap. The penny stocks here, 170. I like it. 171. I love that. 170. I really like, but you can see I'm not the only person that likes this. It's getting some price movement here, and that's what I like. A little bit of price movement, a little bit of price movement. Cooked. No. Play is up, and that was on the list, you guys. PLAY, it's up 5%. talked about it. NEGG, that one's also up. You guys gotta watch the video. You know, I put the content out there, but you know, like even when I go live, I get a little bit of reaction. Roan stops by. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate you stopping in, man. But for the most part, it's like talking to the wall, bro. Yeah, Wolf. You know that that's like a bankruptcy play, right? You know that they're going bankrupt. As long as you know that. But that's why it's up. I looked at it yesterday, and I was like, I could play it, but that's why it's up. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, as long as you know. Yeah, I was looking at it for the bankruptcy play as well, but I just been burned so many times, bro. I really cannot take a loss. I want to take any losses, bro, and I haven't. And I want to keep this winning streak as long as I can. I'm doing pretty good at it, bro. Like, I'm pretty proud of myself. Like, especially like if I can make it through this week, like, then I don't mind taking a loss here soon. I know my loss is coming, you know, just trying to minimize it. And if I play something that, you know, a bankruptcy stock, it's like, oh, okay, well, that wasn't very, like, good odds. The odds are there, don't get me wrong. The odds are there for, obviously, it's up. So I just want the maximum amount of odds on my side as possible for me. And I try to give you guys the plays, you know. I put play, I make videos, you know, play was there. What was the number one stock in the last video yesterday that I made? Open, number one stock. I make sure, I'm like, all right, you know, from most likely to pop to least likely to pop. What was the last stock I talked about? Tron. I think even the last stock I talked about, Tron, is up today. So it's like I put the content out there for you guys to watch these tickers, and when they present an opportunity, even Open Door, it was under $9 today. I mean, yeah, it was $8.99. So this morning pre market. So we traded it this morning. Beautiful trade. That was my very first trade. I bought Open Door like in the shower. Hey, bro, you're good, bro. No, I tell nobody like don't do what I do, you know. But I just kind of bored with the market, to be honest with you. I don't even know if this will be a good trade. But there it is, 177. So it would have been a great trade right there, 177. It's up. So if you got in right there at that dip, 172, 173, like to 177, like that's all I really need is trades like that. But it's I was trying to get it down there. I don't like it now. I get a 172 if I can get that though. I mean, I'll settle for that 172. Oh, there it goes. 172. Maybe. Might get that to execute. It's okay. I did it myself. No one to blame. I mean, this is the bottom to me in my mind. Like it's pretty close to it. I'll just average down from here. I feel good about being in the 170s. So I did get my shares. I got in 172. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Entertainment purposes only. But we're buying Boxel here at the 170s. I've been watching this one all morning, so I think this is a daily low. So I'll get a few more on the way down if it continues. Not that many, no, not 43, just Three more. All right, there we go. But still, that's a nice trade there. I see. I could take that trade 174, but nice. You got in 172. Yeah, I like that price 172. And if we continue to drop, then I'll continue to scoop up shares. But like I said, you guys, I don't normally trade live, but look at all these red candles here. You know, it's to me it's oversold, and it doesn't even show on the RSI chart. I don't even pay attention to this RSI chart down here. If you don't know, that's what this is. Because a lot of times it doesn't reflect until after the trade. So we could be like five more candles down here, and then you'll look back and it'll be like the RSL will be down here. You'll be like, what? Um, so I don't think it really reflects like in live, you know, like in the real time, if that makes sense. But we got a green candle here, so looks good. It looks good. This thing looks a little ridiculous. Here, I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like on the week. So right here is 175. So I'm looking to get a few more shares on the way down if it continues to, but that's a 30% drop there from being up 60% yesterday. So yeah, OPAD. I was looking at OPAD yesterday and I was wanting to get in, but we ended up in trading some other stuff there. And it worked out, so I'm glad OPAD worked out for you, man. That's what it's all about. It's all about like there's so many trades and things, you know, strategies, you know. But it's all like what you feel comfortable with. And there's nothing I like more than a loser that turns out to be a little winner, because it doesn't take much for me. Just a little, you know, 1-2% most of the time I'm good with. But I even like the 50-cent little trades, you know, like if I can make 50 cents here, there, 45 cents. You know, the open trade this morning, we traded that one a little bit too early, but I still made a few dollars off of it. You know, not bad. Oh, really? Thanks for telling me, man. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, it could be my could be my internet. It's been weird. I got 171 on Boxlight here. So what's my 171? I'm buying a few more, and then I'll get some more on the way down here. I like this. Just continue average down on it. Not financial advice. Don't copy me. But I do like a 30% discount. And I believe not all the news is bad. It doesn't really show me on the laptop, but I don't need much of a bounce. I don't need any news. Here's 160 is support after this, so it's not like it has any other support after that. Like this chart looks a little ridiculous. I think it's oversold here, so this will be a fun one to play. There's not a lot out. There hasn't been a lot in the market, so Kaval KVL, but looks like I got three more shares. Boxel, nice. All right, so what's Open Door doing? We'll keep an eye on Boxel here. Not too concerned about it. I like it. Open door. My goodness, 1030s. Stair stepping its way to heaven here. Not many stocks that are this exciting, man. I got a nice trade. I've almost been able to trade open door every single day. So it's like I don't feel like I have any FOMO on open. I want everybody to win anyways, and I'm here for the drops on it. I'm here for those nasty drops because I've seen them. I've seen open door take a 20% drop, but and this is good. I'm happy for anybody that's been a bag holder in open. This gives them the opportunity to get out. So take your profit, you know. Take your profit and run, man. I'm gonna have to go grab my charging cable, man. But Ron, how we doing? Let me know how you guys are doing, what you guys are trading, and I can pull it up here on the screen. I just put open door up here because it's one of the most exciting ones to watch. But doodaloo, SPRC, we traded that one today too. It'd be interesting to see what happens. I was looking for more of a drop on it, but nice consolidation here for SPRC. Probably could have went with this one too, but you know, like I said, there's a lot of opportunities out here in the market. It's like what you want. Which one do you want to go with? Which way do you want to go? Which way do you want to go? And let's see. Yeah, RDW. Oh man, beautiful. RDW. I don't know if you're in here, Ron. That's like my biggest holding right now. I'd say RDW. I've been scooping up shares on this one. I just now started buying into Voxel, but man, this is just beautiful here. RDW took this nasty drop this morning, and we bought the bottom here on it. So I like this one for the long term. It's fallen from 950s. So this one got cooked today. But it's almost to where I can get out of it, honestly, or I could keep it for the long term. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Probably get out. You missed out on open for Wolf and Oped. That's all right, bro. Open will give you another opportunity. That's one thing I've learned about the market is there's always an opportunity out there. I missed out on selling these shares because I was over there buying up Voxel, but that's all right. That's all right. I was trying to get out. I honestly think it'll go higher than that, but I don't know. It could go lower too, and then I just get more shares. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right. I don't think I'm gonna get any of the ATYR. That one was heavily shorted. I gotta go grab my charging cable. I don't think there's anybody in here, but I'm gonna go grab my charging cable. RDW up on the screen, trying to scoop up some more shares if this thing continues to drop. How we looking? RD dubs up, good. What else we got? I thought I canceled that. Boxel, holding strong. Nice. Nice. Big so. Sweet little trades in. Sweet little trading. Patience is key, my friends. Oh, I'm trying to get this charger hooked up here. RD dubs, finding some support. And I'm trying to find a place to put this charger. Man, ATYR. I was really trying to get in there before it left without me. It left without me, bro. Not fair. It's alright. It happens. You guys let me know what you're trading, what you're looking at. If you're in Open Door, if you're in any of the recent IPOs that we've been talking about. Gemini, we haven't looked at that one. Gemini, what you doing? Voxels 173. What was that? Oh, VTAG, okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that big green candle. Bam. I think I might go ahead and sell. Gemini Space Station down 10% today, you guys. Like I said, man, that could be a big opportunity, bro. That could be a big opportunity right there. So RDW, I think I'm gonna go ahead and scale out. Nice little gain for me, almost 2%. Like I said, I'm not mad about 2%. I think I'll take 805 here if I can get it. That way I don't miss out on that bump. 805, 10. Probably could get more, but we'll do 806. See if we can get 806 here. It's at 805. There we go. 806 filled. So we got that nice little trade on it. So you can see here, you got the two big green candles. Nice trade on RDW. I probably definitely maybe could have held on to this, but I just figure why not go ahead and sell now. But nice pops on this. This thing's probably going to continue to just go higher, but I'm all about my profit right now, you guys. I really don't care. I just want to take my profit and move on to the next stock. I'm not trying to hold on to too much because I can just roll this on over into Boxel, roll it on over into anything else. It's pretty expensive at $8 a share, but I think it's going to keep going higher. FIGR up 5%, 38.41. And yeah, I appreciate any thumbs up, any likes on the videos, you guys. It's free. I give a lot of picks and information during the live streams, so go watch the videos. Appreciate you guys. BBAI, we've been talking about BBAI, we've been talking about Open. A lot of these names are on fire right now. OPAD as well. Just got to trade them right. Set your stop losses, all that kind of good stuff. A lot of green in the market right now. I'm looking a lot of green. And if you're in crypto, crypto's down right now. So, hey, might be an opportunity for somebody that wants to trade crypto. But I'll be honest with you guys, crypto's got to fall pretty far for me to be interested in any kind of crypto. Crypto is just way too expensive for me. All right, we're gonna pull up Voxel here. I'm anticipating that we get a bounce here, but you know, maybe not. I like this big green candle here. I might even scale out above the 175s because you know we're in at 172. All I need is 3 or 4 cents. I don't need much, so it's at 174 here. Don't need a whole lot. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and scale out at 176 range because I know it's hit the 177. I mean, it could go all the way back to $2. Really, I don't know, man. This is what I like. I really do like this one. I'm gonna take that out. I really do like this one. I like it here. I think it might keep dropping and it'll just be sweeter. So what else we got in the market, you guys? What else are we trading? SPRC still holding strong there. GV's on its way up. ETCH, CDT. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, OPAD's on fire, bro. 18% now. OPAD's up 18% now. OPAD is up 18%. You know, it's like a lot of times I need to stop making content for you guys and like stop trying to like call and do more buying instead of trying to make content. Because if I just traded off of the ones that I told you guys about, like Open Door is still going up, man. 17% on fire. It's like you just get that feeling. And you want to dance. Oh my goodness. Just straight up here. Open Door. Shorts are getting squeezed. Goodness, bro. Getting squeezed. 1050 here. 1050 here. Box light, moving up, you guys. 174. We're up almost 2% now on that one. So I think it's support here. If not, 175. So box light looking to move up here, and that'll give us our afternoon trade here, our lunchtime trade on Boxel. We did that one. We did this one live here. We've been talking about Open Door. It's staying strong. Pull up Boxel again. Look at it, 175. Green candles. Oh, I love it when I'm right. Look at that. I love it when I'm right. Green. This thing could really pop here, though. That's the thing. It's like, do I want to just go ahead and take profit? Or do I want to hold on to it? I don't have a good track record of holding on to things. So 177 again. Look at it. 177, you guys. I think I'll take that profit. I think I'll take that profit at 177. Too many marshmallows. Ah, I am weak, bro. Yeah, box those back up. Looking like it's gonna pop here again. And I'm thinking about just going ahead and taking the profit here, 177, 176. But see what it wants to do. I don't need much, man. It's the nice little. This would be more than 2% for me actually here. So, oh, big red candle. So nice. Then that'll make it easier decision for me. Nice, nice, nice. We'll go ahead and grab more shares here. If it keeps going down, bro. See, it wants to go back up. The buyers are stepping in here. I like it. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just make a cup of coffee and wait it out. I think that's what I'm gonna do because it's back to 172, so it's playing games. Oh, 171. I would like to get some more shares here, so thank you. If I could get 170s. I'll be happy about that. How many is that? I'm being cautious, but I like that 170s. Beautiful. I'm gonna go with 1.69 because I like that number. It's a solid number, right? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like it. All right, what else we got, you guys? What else is out there in the market? I know the rideshare companies were up today on some good news, positive news. Yeah, let me look at AEI again, see how far AEI is dropping. AEI, nope, still headed back up. I liked it when it was going down. Any stocks out there getting clobbered right now? Let me know. ANGX down 37%. I know Chow Chow's down. That one was like a runner the other day, but I'm just not into the China stocks. Not interested. I'm not really interested. I really wish we'd stop getting green candles here. I need more red candles here, bro. Get out of here with these green candles. There we go. There we go. I need a sell-off. Oh man, AEI getting a pop though. I was just talking about it. AEI getting a pop. Wow. See, that's why I was trying to get it lower, but now it's gonna go back up. I don't love that. I do not love that. What the bro, no green candles. Thank you. Red. We need red candles. Gonna piss me off, bro. I'm trying to get some more shares here. 171's not good enough. Open door, man. Stock is so strong. It's still up 16% right now. Beautiful. There we go. Voxel gonna drop down here. What did I tell you guys about green candles? Come on. There we go, 170. 170. Come on, you know you want to. Just do it. Try it one time. Just try it one time. Go to 170 one time. One time for the one time. There we go. That's the 3 months, y'all. That's Boxel, 3 months. So, yeah, I'm not a rocket scientist, but what do you think's gonna happen? Where do you think it's going from here? That's on the 3 months. Again, I don't know, but chances are, look at that candle. My God. Can you imagine that candle over here and being in before? Right? Like, and see, what did I tell you guys about the RSI? Like, here we are, I mean, pretty much where we were, right? But I think because it didn't happen quick, like the RSI is updating and now we're down here. So now we're in oversold territory, right? But I think we're, yeah, see, I think we're below that. I think we're down here. I think we're off the screen. That's what I think. This thing has gotten clobbered. And I would love to scoop up some more shares at 170 and the 169, but I don't think I'm going to get it, so I'm going to just grab a few more at 171. Just in case I don't get the other ones. I do like that price, so 171, and that will drop my average down to 171. So we were at 172, now we're at 171. If it continues to misbehave, then we'll just add more shares, but I don't really have many. I've got enough to make a little bit, and I don't have enough to lose anything, really. So I guess I could afford to buy a few more. There we go, 170. I love that price. Something speaks to me about that price. So I'm scooping it up at 170. I'd love to get it there. BOXL. And I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee, just so you guys know, but I got Boxel here. And then I guess I could pull up open too for you guys to look at. That way you have open door to watch. Oh shit. I don't know what I'm doing, so bear with me. Bear with me. Trying something. Alright, how's that? How's that? Oh, we'll pull this Boxel over here. This is Boxel. You can't see that shit, can you? All right, we got Boxel over here on the left. Oh, dang it. All right, open door. Right here. Hang on. Let me pull this over. Just gonna have like the price here. I can't really do the chart, but we're gonna have the price maybe up here. Cause no. That fair? Fair. And then you guys let me know if you guys want me to have something else up here. I'll pull something else up here. But that way you can keep an eye on open door price because it's pretty fun to watch. Still up 15%, holding that $10. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how many shorts pile into it. But apparently Martin Scarelli is in it. He said that he's shorting it, but a whole lot of good that's doing right now. Yeah, open door is a lot of fun to watch, man. We've made our little coins on open door, so I don't mind watching it every day. It's probably one of the most fun stocks to watch. And then we'll see what happens here with Boxel. So more. Let me change these candles. These candles are better, I think. These are the minute candles. Oh, look at that. Beautiful green candle there for Boxel. Probably stare more at open door chart than right, man. They just don't get it, man. Like for real, like I'm a single guy, and I've been thinking the past few days, like I've been doing so well in the stock market. Like I'm not trying to brag or anything, but like like once you kind of get it, like once you get your pattern or whatever, and what your little success strategy, then 169. All right, so there we go. We're gonna scoop some shares up. I've got 19 shares now of Boxel, so nice. And maybe I don't know, something about the 169 price, but anyways, back to what I was saying. We'll see if we can get that. It's back to 170 here. Um, they just don't get it, man. Once you like, all I care about is the stock market. You know, like all I really care about is watching the charts and my price average. Like I could care less about dating and getting out there. Like to be honest, like I was thinking about that the other day. Like man, I'm glad I don't have a girlfriend or a serious relationship because I don't have time for it. Like I really don't. It's the stock market every single day. This is my life. So there'll come a time for that, but right now it's open door and BOXL for life, baby. But not financial advice. Right. Stock market and motorbikes. Like I don't even care about football anymore. Like I watch some of the games. I watch like whatever, whenever it's on or whatever, but like I'm freaking bored with it. I'm bored with the NFL. I'm bored with sports. Like even like betting on it. Like it's not fun to bet on anymore. Like this year, like last year, sports betting, was fun, but this year, no, it's the stock market because I got gains to get back, bro. I got like I'm not revenge trading, but I got to get back to like at least somewhere respectable. Like my portfolio is not even respectable, dude. Like I got to get back up there. So I need some value plays, really, and we'll get there. But I think we did sell those shares. I did sell those shares while I was yapping. RDW. while I was yapping. We sold RDW, bro. So that was my biggest profit for today. Where did it go? Oh man, RDW 815. See, I knew I could have got more out of that trade, but I'm all about my profit today, bro. Every day, really. And I had a significant amount of shares, so that was my biggest trade right there today. RDW red wire down on good news. I'll take that trade every day. Money on UFC, not that great as last year. I have 430%. Wow. Yeah, I hear you, bro. Like, yeah, last year I did well on sports, but it's just not exciting. I can't even think of an exciting player in the NFL right now other than Sanders. Sanders is just wasn't fun to watch those first games, so I haven't really been paying attention. My head is in the market, and that's really it. And then like on the weekends, I'm just trying to come up with the best plays possible. Hopefully, I'm not in box light until the weekend. No, I think it's gonna pop here probably this afternoon or here in a little bit. But I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. We'll see. We will see. Pull this over some. All right, we got BOXL, and ooh, I wonder if I could do it that way. That's interesting. Ooh, there we go. Learn something new every day. I didn't know how to do this, but I do now. There we go. We're learning. That looks pretty good. All right, so we got BOXL over here on the left, and then we got Open Door right here. IPOs. Yeah, the IPOs were nice this year. The IPOs were real nice. Real nice. And I'm glad I could get on here early today too. Like I'm not really doing too much heavy trading. My big positions are done for the day for the most part, and I still got plenty funds left to go at Boxel if it wants to misbehave. We can really take it to it, but 32%. I'm expecting something here, but maybe not. It might not. Like I said, I could use a loss here, but man, this thing was up 60% yesterday. This thing was up 65% yesterday. $2.86. It's $1.73. So that's almost 100% drop, really. I don't know. I didn't. My strongest was not math. My strong suit is definitely not math, but I'm good at percentages. Let's go. Open door, looking good here. Man, it just looks like a mountain. It just looks like a mountain. I'm glad I was able to get some more shares of Boxlight there. I wish I had grabbed more because I'm profitable on Boxlight now. I'm up 1% on Boxlight, so pretty excited about that. I love the little gains too. Like you gotta like the little gains so you can respect the big gains. So I hope everybody's staying green. I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee, and I'll be back in a jiffy. It's pretty much the same room though. You'll probably hear the microwave. 138 on open. Box was still at 172, so nice. 7.5. Man, it'd be nice if it, there goes 175. Looks like it wants to go up. Look at that big green candle. That's why I can't step away for too long, bro. Look at this big green candle here. Trying to form the resemblance of a big green candle. Man, that was a big red candle there. This is gonna be fun to watch. I think it's gonna break out. It's either gonna break out to the upside or the downside, right, Ron? So I'd rather be in the bottom of something than at the top of something. But man, open door could go higher here too. That's why it's so fun to watch. Like man, nothing like the stock market. I'll tell you that. Nothing like it. Meow. Meow now. Alright, I'll be back in a second. Alright, how we looking? Ooh, 173. Okay, nice. Nice. I like it. Really starting to show some support here. Good. Down 31%. Open door, holding 15%, 10/20s. Okay. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? We got CURX taking a big dip here. What's that? 41% drop. Wow. Fish. ANGX still down. Chow. Man. Wonder if that's a buy. It's halted on the way down. CURX. CURX halted on the way down. 178, 179. Yeah, I'm looking to get out at like 175 or above that. I like the 177, but I'm really not too concerned about it. I think it'll pop up, but yeah, I don't want to hold Boxel past today, to be honest with you, because the volume could just drop off. That's why I want to Keep an eye on it. But CURX halted on the way down. Big drop. Man, a lot of people just lost a lot of money there. There we go, 174 on Boxel. So hopefully we get a nice little pop here. No stop losses. Yeah, it's always a good idea to have, you know. It's something that I don't ever really do. I probably should. It definitely would have saved me from some nasty losses. And I think I'm gonna, I'll be honest, I don't even know how to do it. I was looking at it and I really don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna have to look into actually research how to do it. It's like two different prices there. I don't know, it confuses me. And I buy limit orders all the time, but I'm not even sure how to do a stop loss, to be honest. Because I never do them. I'm always like, yeah, I'm good. I'm never worried. Oh man, I might have to take the copyright, bro, and start playing music, cause maybe it's just a Wednesday though. I don't know. I like it. I'm up on Boxlight though still. You know, that's why I'm not too concerned about it. And unless it drops under the 170s, my average is pretty good. A 170 wouldn't be too bad either. Oh, this will probably be the last trade of the day for me, though. I mean, I'm not trying to risk too much today. I guess I could, but trying to get better at not doing that. Yesterday, I exhausted all my funds in my account. Oh, INHD up 6.7%, $4. We talked about that one. Yeah, I'm gonna cut back on the content. I think I was gonna like try to step it up, but you know the engagement's just not really there. And I've been throwing bangers out for you guys. Like even the open door videos, like they don't really hit. So I rather focus on the trading. Oh man, let's go Boxel 174. Looks good. I'm looking to get out up here on these green candles on the way up. You know, not financial advice. Just letting you guys know. Don't be pissed off at me if this thing drops. But I'm trading off of the price action here, so it might not even go up, which is fine. Whatever you want to do, you know, whatever you want to do, stock market, whatever you want to do. But again, we got like an hour or so until the Fed, and I'm really not trying to hold any stocks until the Fed meeting. You know, so the closer we get to the Fed meeting, I'm gonna be looking to liquidate my everything, my whole thing. You know, but I'm doing pretty good today. Actually, I'm doing better than here we go, 174. I'm really looking. Yeah, I'm getting antsy. Let me calm down. 174. I'd like to get out above that, like 175, 176, 177. I guess I'm gonna just, because I don't want to be upset. But it's looking good though, you know? Boxel kind of looks good here. This does look like support. It's 174. What's the volume looking at? It's hard to tell the exact volume, but it's not very much, is it? That's also like kind of worrying me. Kind of worrying me. So I guess I will take my bus ticket right here at 175 so that I don't get upset and be like, man, see, what the, you know? And that's profit, bro. 175 is my bus ticket. I'm just take your advice, you know? But it might not. It's back to 172, so. It'd be nice to ride it up to the 180s and 90s, even $2. Just don't know if it's gonna make it. We'll see. Is that fly stock up too? Man, Rely is up 15% today. OPED 19%, bro. OPED is just ripping. My gosh. I told you guys. See, that's what I'm saying. I got to start trading on the things I say instead of like trying to come up with good tickers for you guys, good stocks for you guys, because this is 20% now. OPED left without me, bro. Let's not do that. Stock can go further down. Which one? Boxel? Oh yeah, it can definitely go further down. That's why I'm trying to go ahead and take my profit now. We'll see. But it's looking like it wants to pop up here. But I like it here, 174. 175 will be a nice little 2% modest little, little tiny trade for me. It's not gonna hurt because it's not dropping far enough for me. It's really not doing what I wanted to do, but AEI is looking beautiful. AEI coming down. Now that one kind of looks interesting. I like it there under the 360s. I do. Who? Man, no, OPAD just incredible. Yeah, I missed that one. I missed that rocket launch. But that's all right. I'll catch it next time. I will. Here we go. Box light 174. See if box can go up. Just a little bit, just a few cents there, buddy. I think GNS was up today too. I know a lot of people trade that one. RDW, if it drops, I might be buying. I might be getting back into that. IHT, what happened? Oh man, IHT. I'm gonna be watching this one. It is flirting with $2, down 10% today. Ooh. I like that. I like that a lot. That's a free one. Like I said, I'll give you guys the free ones. But the ones I'm really, really, really watching, can't have it. It's not free. It's for me. But AEI is one of those, man. Look at that, 360. 360 right now. I don't know. Kind of do like that. Down there, 359 maybe, 350s. What you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. Box light. It's like frozen, bro. Let me know. How we doing? How we feeling? Man, I got some leftover Taco Bell I'm not excited about. Food. It's actually kind of making me pissed off. It's like actually pissing me off right now thinking about that. I spent money on Taco Bell. What an idiot. DNTH up. You got out of box? Hey, have a good one, man. That's awesome, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Much love, bro. See you next time. I think I did too. I think I got out too. I don't see my shares anymore. Yeah, that was a nice trade for us today, bro. Honestly, that was not too. Yeah, that's not bad. Boxo, where did it go? Oh no, I still got my shares. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to that. See what it does today. Cause there's plenty of time in the market. I'll be helping off of here, grabbing something to eat, and making some more trades. More likely. Open door headed down here though. It's got some red candles there. $10.20. So we'll see if it can hold $10. See what you can do. Open door. But box light. It's probably gonna be a nice little trade for me here. It's back to the 174. I'm looking to get out at 175, 176. So I hope you guys are staying green. Hope you guys are profitable for the week. Open door drop in here. Go check out the videos. I try to put out as much content as I can. Try to give you guys different stocks to put on your radar. So I appreciate any of the engagement. Thumbs up, like, share the videos. Definitely subscribe. Do it now. Doesn't hurt. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. Open door, $10.15. OPAD, $4.91. See what OPAD does. See what OPAD does. But you guys let me know what you're trading. And I'll try to take a look at it. CURX still down. I think it's still halted down. I don't know, man. That one's kind of scary, but BOXL still down 31%, and that's what we are trading right now. I'm feeling more and more confident about this trade, to be honest. Kind of like it. Getting more green candles in here, starting to look like Christmas. So, there we go. Chow Chow's down. I believe we got an IPO today. Is it Grubhub or something like that? So that'll be interesting. I'm gonna have to look that up once I get off of here. Another one is MBY. That one is down 10% today. Not gonna be surprised if that one's up tomorrow. And then Benny Bollinger down, 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 down again today. Under 6 cents. And honestly, as much as I hate to say it, I do like that price. I do like that price, down 10%. This could probably be a good trade here for the afternoon, but it hasn't been swinging the way it normally does, so I've been staying away from it. So ultimately, I do not advise. I do not advise. Palantir down 3%. Looks really nice here. 164s. I like that price. I don't have the bank for it right now. I mean, I do, but I don't want to spend that much. But yeah, I like that 164. Not financial advice, but this is gonna bounce back. Whatever. It's just a hit piece. It's just like a little bit of bad news. Yeah. I almost want to trade that, but it's just too expensive for me. Open door, $10.15. Yeah. Struggling. Might be dropping down. Hopefully not down to Pound Town, but could be going down under $10 here, down to the 990s. TOP is up 5%, $1.42. TOP is up 5%. That one's been down. I was going to trade on that one this morning, but wasn't feeling it. Didn't feel right. It did not feel right. So we got Boxwell over here on the left, open door on the right. BOXL is down 32% almost. So trading off of that 32% drop. I like that. I like that a lot. 32% is where I'm at. That's where my average is at. So actually, I feel a lot better about this, and I'm gonna be getting some more shares here. If they give them to me down there, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if we can get some more shares. But I appreciate you guys hanging out on the live stream with me. Like I said, go check out the content, man. Go check out those videos. A lot of stock picks for you guys to check out. Still good stocks out there. A lot of opportunity out there. But you know I got to keep some of the gems for myself. Might make some content here tomorrow or the next day, but not super excited to get it out there. Just have not been getting a lot of engagement from you guys, and that's all right. You know, I understand everybody's busy. but I think I need to focus more on the trading than making content, anyways. I might start moving into maybe doing some coaching, like some personal coaching. See what that does. See how that, if that helps. Because the portfolio is looking good. So FOMC rate meeting today, you guys. I'm excited about it. I'm gonna pop some popcorn and break out the snacks. Watch them drop these interest rates. Watch these markets pop. So if you're ready, let's roll. If you're not, then let's go. But yeah, should uh should be a nice little swing to the markets. Now, if interest rates do not get that cut, then yeah, market is definitely going to drop. So just be ready. I'm ready for the drop. That'd be nice to get a cheaper price here on what I've already got. Feel really good about it, and I'm ready for it. So I'm not going to be live while that's happening. I want to be able to take advantage of what the market offers. So whatever stocks are out there that are going to be dropping, I want to be able to have all my screens up and be able to go ahead and get those positions open. So a lot of opportunity out here in the market, and as you can see over here on the left, BOXL continuing to drop. So we'll continue to buy shares of that. We'll continue to buy shares of that. I like that price. And I'm going to go ahead and set up another buy order just so I can get a few more shares here. Yeah, I'll get a few more shares there, and then that way I can go ahead and make my lunch or whatever once I hop off of here. But we're getting some more red candles here on BOXL. So you guys let me know what you're trading. Somebody said Palantir. Took a little drop here. Nice little drop on Palantir if you're into the more expensive kind of stocks. But that's what I love about the market. Every day, you know, there's thousands of opportunities. There's thousands of different stocks out here, depending on your style, depending on what kind of investments you like to invest in, right? All kinds of sectors out here. Housing sector, that's what Open Door is. Open Door is real estate sector, right? So that has something to do with it being up so big, right? A lot of things to do with it being up big, but that is one of the things, all right? And we're getting closer to this meeting today with the Federal Reserve. So that's also happening today. So you guys, a lot of things to keep in mind on why things happen. And if you can try to be before the curve, place yourself before the curve, right? And really that's just being in the right place at the right time. But a lot of things happen in the market over and over and over where you can start to notice and just position yourself to be there. And if you see it, then you can act on it. And that's really all trading is. You know, that's really all it is, you guys. It's just being there, seeing things happen, and being like, for real? Like whenever I see a big drop on Open Door, you know, in the past few days, Open Door has taken a 10% drop. It's taken a 20% drop, right? There's a lot of newbies or like people that are looking at Open Door right now, seeing that it's up big and being like, ooh, you know, maybe now's a good time to get in. But we all know it's probably not the best time, right? At all time highs. So we just got to be cautious. We just got to be cautious and protect ourselves because nobody else is going to do it for us. We got to go out here and make these trades happen. Nobody else is going to trade for us. It's not the easiest job in the world, y'all. Like 3% of traders actually are successful. 98% of them fail, right? The market will take everything you own. It'll take your shirt from you. It'll take your shoes. So that's why I like to position myself in trades where I feel the most confident. But they say you can't time the market, right? I don't know. We can get pretty close. We can get really close. Open door dropping here. Practice, practice, practice. Practice trading. Take notes. We only get better with time, right? The more we trade, the more we watch the market. That's how we get better. And the more people that we surround ourselves with, the better traders that we surround ourselves with, other people that are like-minded and knowledgeable and maybe open-minded about the markets. Because when you get blinders on and you start trading and oh, we got more voxel, so it's dropping. So let me hush for a second. Try to focus on a little bit of trade here. So we scooped up like one or two more shares of voxel, and then it's going to 169. So there we go. All right, so we're gonna grab some more shares of BOXL here. So see, it's not letting me get too many shares, and then it pops back up. So nice little opportunity here to average down. And that's what I have here on the left side is BOXL. So having one of the worst days that it's ever had right now in the market, and we're here taking advantage of that. It's now down over 32%, and like I've said before, you can see down here on this RSI chart. You see how it shows that it's up on the RSI chart, but you and I both know, right, that it's not up on the RSI chart. Like it's not. It just hasn't updated yet. So don't get caught up on all these indicators and things like that. There's a lot of indicators that are important, but you can see how beaten up and devoured. Hang on, you guys can't see it, but well, I can see most of it, but it's down below every indicator there is right now. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. So really, these indicators don't matter when it comes to all-time lows, and still continuing to get red candles. So we all know that it's not up, right? We're at all-time. We all know that it's not up on the RSI. It just has not even updated yet. So whenever this chart updates, it's going to be well below that RSI. It's just going to take some green candles and a little bit of time here, but really early. I'd say too early for the shorts to be moving in, and I'm here for it. So you guys want to keep selling shares, I'm going to keep buying them here. Um, Building up a nice little average on BOXL for the last trade of the day here. BOXL probably gonna keep averaging down here. 3 red candles now in a row, and I'm here for that because that's gonna make my exit a lot easier and a lot more profitable. So not financial advice. I'm not a rocket scientist. Don't copy me. I am not responsible for any losses. But you can see though, well, I can see. Hang on, let me move open door over a little bit because we know what open door is doing, right? But this is the trade right here for me. And you can see Boxel is just red, red, red. and then this is the last drop that it had right here. This is the last drop, and then it ripped up, and you can see all the selling shorts here. So they're just getting a little bit too happy here, getting a little bit too happy selling off, and people are getting a little bit too scared here. And that's when we scoop in. That's when we move in, scoop up some shares here for a nice little afternoon trade. So yeah, I'm barely down on this trade, but Boxel's down almost 33%. So the odds are looking good. And that's what I keep trying to tell you guys. Just position yourself in a way where the odds are way more in your favor. Here we go again with the 169. Big, more sell off, more red candles, fright, fear, and it's nothing but opportunity for me. So the more red candles here, the happier I get, and the more frustrated everybody else gets, right? And the more fearful everybody else gets, and the more other people sell, and the more other people are like, man, I'm done with this. Well, that might be the case, but it's going to get so oversold that it's going to create a huge opportunity for people like me that have buy orders in down here, and I'm scooping up shares left and right. You guys want to keep doing it, keep dropping it, and then what do you think is going to happen? Maybe not today, maybe not even after hours, but maybe tomorrow, Boxel's up 10%. And people be like, oh well, that's nothing. Well, it's a lot for people that were scooping up shares at $1.70, $1.60. If it wants to go that far, I'm here to play. So keep coming with the red candles because I love that. It's going to be a nice little swing trade here. These are 160s is, support. So if 170 doesn't hold, then pretty confident that it might go to 160s. But look at that huge green candle right there, right? And we're just going to play this out and see what happens. But like I said, I've said it a few times today. You could either be in something, and this is just an example, but Open Door is up 13, 14, 15, 16, percent today, right? People are starting to sell off. People are starting to take some profits here. It's probably going to drop under $10, and nobody wants to hear that, but we all know that's probably what's going to happen here. So the buying opportunity is something that is oversold. And that's where we're at. And something that's down a ridiculous amount. Not to say that Open Door cannot go higher from here, that it can't shoot up 20%, after hours even. It can, it definitely can. We've seen it do it. The market has been wild, especially the past few weeks. Look at these big green candles here. So Boxel moving back up and making me happy. We've seen stocks up 1,000% this past few weeks. There's been numerous stocks, more than one, that has been up over 1,000% in this market. So you just got to be out here, be observant, and not be fearful. You got to act on your instinct, not your emotions, because trading can be very emotional. So this is going to be my afternoon movie here, watching the market and the Federal Reserve, seeing what they do, because I don't really watch movies. I put them on, but it's mainly to do my research and focus on the market or computer work or whatever, but cleaning, chores. Other than that, It stocks. So woke up a little bit late today. I wanted to get into the stock market a little bit earlier than I did, but it was a good day to kind of sleep in though, if that's sleeping in. 7:30. Pre-market trading has been where it's at, but it's nice to get some of these afternoon trades in because I don't normally trade afternoon trades, but I'm here for a nice afternoon pop. Normally have been getting disappointed by some of these that I think is going to pop in the afternoon or after hours. So we'll see what BOXL wants to do. Big red candle here, so might be getting some more shares. Might be getting some more shares. And, you know, it's just going to be a battle here for the 170s, looks like. So, nice little position for the portfolio. And I've been telling myself I'm tired of, you know, trading every day too. Like a bunch of trades every day kind of gets tiring. So it's nice to kind of be into something and hold it for a few days too. Because that's all trading is one long trade. Just where do you want to put your money at? Where do you want to hold your money at? Oh, yeah. A little bit more opportunity here to average down, but I'm looking at the 167 now, 169. Get a few shares there. And yeah, I'm probably going to hop off of here and here soon. That way I can and focus on this trading. Because this is going to be a nice little trade on BOXL, I think, for me. Again, pre-market, the stock was down 20%. It's now down 32%. So it could continue to drop here. And I'm going to keep scooping up shares. I've got a nice little position here that is going to swing my portfolio super green, like Hulk status green. So looking to get that swing trade in. Baby. But thank you guys so much. Thank you for the likes, the subscribes. Any new subscribers, go check out the content for real, you guys. I've been throwing out a lot of heaters. A lot of heaters for you guys. A lot of heaters, and Open Door has been one of those. Put up a video last night about Open Door, and it's up 15% today. We've been talking about it. You know, it's just you guys gotta watch the content. You gotta consume the content. Get out there, research it, do your own DD. You know, all that kind of stuff. It's a lot. I know it is. It's a lot. The stock market is a lot of emotion, and you know, it's a lot going on. It's a lot to take in sometimes. It's like a movie for me, man. It's like, man, I've seen this movie before. We've been here. We've seen this. We're doing this again. All right, let's do it. You know, it's kind of how it is for me. It's not. It's almost like I'm just a co-pilot at this point. The stock market is in control. Once you learn how to not try, you can't control the market. You gotta go with the flow. You gotta find your rhythm. Once you find your rhythm, you're like, oh yeah, this is where I'm gonna stake my claim at, because nobody likes it, and I like being where nobody. It's like people that you know like want to live where there's not a lot of people. Exactly. I like trading stocks where a lot of people don't like it. And then when I know a lot of people like it, I'm usually not invested in it, right? Like Open Door up here above $10. Like I'm not buying it, but I'm here for it. I love it. We traded it early this morning. We rode it on the way up here, right? But I love to see it. I'll catch you on the downside, right? I'll catch you on the downside. And people don't like that. They wanna constantly hear the hype train. Well, we've been hyping it up for weeks now. Like, how much more hype do you want? It's overhyped at that point, right? So don't listen to everybody out here that's trying to tell you to do this, do that. Like, when it comes to things that are up 1,000+%, you guys realize that, right? I like the stock, but Open Door is up 1,000+%, you guys. So be careful. We've made nothing but money on it. It's been an amazing trade for us every day for the past 2 weeks. And this thing has come from 40 cents and it's now above $10. So Open Door has been nothing but short of phenomenal here. But you guys can get caught up too. So that's how people lose a lot of money. Buying at the top when this thing drops. It's heavily shorted right now. There could be some really big, you think Martin Scarelli's a short? Well, there's some bigger whales out there, right? That can come in and really short this thing. And people don't want to hear that. That's why I don't make videos about, oh, this stock's going to go down. That's why nobody makes videos about, oh, this stock's going to go down, because nobody wants to hear it. They're not going to watch it. They don't want to listen to you. And then it goes down and they're like, why didn't you tell me? Oh, you said it was going to go up. They love to beat you up about something not going up. And it's like, well, but it's cheaper though. So what's there to be mad about? Like, it's cheaper. Buy the dip, bro. Like, come on, you guys. It's just, I can't tell you, nobody's gonna be able to tell you the formula that, there we go. We got more Boxel, so that's good. We got our average down now. And like I said, I'm just gonna continue to buy more Boxel here on this drop. Pretty nice average here. But you guys just got to find your rhythm and don't listen to anybody, is basically what I'm trying to say. Because if I listen to people, if I went off of the stats or like how many people watch my content, and like, I, I don't think I would go be that successful. But I don't. I keep going and I invest off of the things that I like. Everybody likes Open Door right now, right? But they're not gonna like it if it was down 20% today. Nobody would like Open Door, but I would love it. I like it either way. I'm just saying, people hate things when they're down. They only like it when it's up. We got more Boxel shares. You can see the update right there on the screen. Scooping up shares, man. I'm not lying to you guys. But it's also not financial advice. Don't copy me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a rocket scientist. Do your own due diligence. Entertainment purposes only. Stock is down 33%. I like my odds. I like my odds here. So more and more and more shares here. And yeah. Going to be buying more. So I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Do give me a thumbs up on the live and the content, you guys. It does help. Look at Open Door popping here. Wow. Nice pop on Open Door, too. That's incredible, man. We were able to average down and man, just an incredible week. You guys, look at that big green candle, Look at that. Huge green candle right there for BOXL. I'm just going to try to focus more on the trades, man, and You know, I'll try to be here and give you guys some of the heat. Oh, wow. Yeah, there we go. Big green candle. But, man, if I could just focus more on the trading, I'd be a lot more successful than trying to make the content out there for you guys. Because, dang, look at that. Green, green, green. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. And now I can get out at a really good price here on BOXL. See? All the buyers are stepping in. Big green candles here. Volume is flooding in. And it is flushing to the upside. Open door. Oh my gosh. 174. There we go. Now I know where I need to get out at. 1.74 is a great price now. Dang, I didn't realize how many shares I bought. I got so many shares. Yeah, let's go ahead and get out of that. Man, that candle was huge. Yeah, see, that's why. Yeah, see, that's why I wanted to get some more shares. But look at that big green candle. Green, green, green. Go, go, go. Green, green, green. Go, go, go. We're gonna get a nice trade in here on BOXL. Beautiful. Now well above 2% for us. Well above 2% trade now on BOXL. That's what I was saying. Like, give the trade time to breathe. Don't get all stressed out. Don't get frustrated and scared because everybody else is selling right here. Look, everybody and their mom was selling right here. And now everybody wants to buy it. And we're about to say, see you later. Everybody here is about to punch our bus ticket right here. So, thank you, ma'am. Or sir, or thank you. Thank you for the time. It was fun, but not that fun, right? Right now, everybody's like, oh my gosh, let me get my shares back. Just give me my shares back. Right? I'll give them to you. You want them? I'll give them to you. How many you want? How many shares you want? BOXL moving to the upside and open door moving to the upside, you guys. Nice trades, afternoon. Scaling out. Got nice entries, and we're just gonna take our profit. We're just gonna take our coins and go the fuck home, you know? We're gonna take our ball and go home. Probably gonna get some red here. See what happens. But yeah, pop into the upside here. Another green candle. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Open door, $10.34. So, alright, so what I'm gonna do is cancel that order, and I'm gonna wait that out because I really do I like where I'm at, and it is early, so I think. Wow, yeah, 167. See, too many people sold. There we go. And I think I still got the order in, right? No? And that's why I got to get off of here so I can focus on the trades a little bit. I'm going to buy some shares there. Big red candle. So this is going to be a beautiful, absolutely beautiful trade for me. And I want to make sure I'm positioned good here. So I'm going to buy 167. Hopefully can at least get a few shares there. I do like that price. That's going to bring my average down. Stock is just getting absolutely hammered today, and I'm here for it. A lot of people bought right there, and even more people sold, so here we go. going to continue to scale down. I really didn't have that low of an average, but now it'll be even lower. So love that for me. And even if I've got to take my profits for the day, that's fine. We're up big for the day, so I don't mind just throwing everything I've got at this right now for the last trade. We are up bigger than we were anticipating for the day, so that's really nice going into the Fed meeting and then, end of the week. I'm not really trying to trade a whole lot at the end of the week, so I tend to forget and then get to trade heavy. Just over trading is a thing, but I also love a good deal. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Type things, type deals, but here we go. Humongous red candle, biggest red candle I've ever seen in my life. And I'm trying to buy some shares right now. Oh man, and everybody's like worried and trying to sell. It's times like these I just grin and say thank you. When everybody's fearful, that's when you should be hungry. How's the saying go? Something like that. Either way, don't be scared, boy. It's gonna go green, isn't it? It's not gonna let me get there. See, 171 now. Man, I was really trying to get some shares here on that red candle, but it's just not going to let me get it. That's how I know I'm good on a position. When you see candles like that and your average is not even affected, like still profitable with a candle like that, I'm not worried. That doesn't go for every stock though, but I'm just saying for right now, for this, they can't bring it, they can't sell it far enough down right now. So this is going to be a beautiful trade. And it's going up, up and away. It's just how much profit do I want to take? Do I want to get greedy? Because if you're too greedy, then you miss the opportunity, right? Just like buying, the opportunity for selling passes as well. So people are going to find that out and open door if they haven't already. But I'm excited, you guys. I'm excited for everybody out there. I hope you guys did well in the markets. I hope you made some money today. We're always looking for an opportunity in the market. We are the bull market investor looking for the bull market opportunity, and there's always opportunities in the market. Whether it's a bull market or a bear market, there's always opportunities out there. So just know that. Don't feel like you missed out on something, because you're never missing out on something. Look at this, right? Go look at a bunch of stocks. Like, the opportunity, if not, gets better with time. So just be patient. But there's always an opportunity. The whole time there was an opportunity. The entire time there was an opportunity. But we're going to hop off of here, get a few more trades in, and get some grub. Maybe do a live tomorrow. I don't know. Might try to do more lives than make content. We'll see how it goes, though. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we will see you guys in the next video.